Is AliDropship the right dropshipping tool for you? This review covers my experience and everything you need to know. Find links to AliDropship and related resources in the description below. AliDropship is a powerful WordPress plugin built for entrepreneurs wanting to launch and manage their own dropshipping business using AliExpress. Known for affordability and robust features, it gives you full control without monthly fees. AliDropship seamlessly integrates with WordPress, transforming your website into a fully functional e-commerce store. Easily import products directly from AliExpress, complete with descriptions, images, and pricing. The one-click import quickly builds your product catalog. AliDropship automates order processing and fulfillment. When a customer orders, the plugin handles it with the supplier, auto-filling shipping details, saving you time and reducing errors. Tracking updates sync automatically, keeping customers informed. Customize product titles, descriptions, and images before publishing, ensuring your listings match your branding. A built-in pricing markup formula helps maintain consistent profit margins. New to dropshipping? AliDropship's custom store option handles setup for you, including niche selection, product sourcing, and website design. Built-in analytics monitor sales, track performance, and analyze customer behavior. Integrate with payment gateways and marketing tools to boost conversions. AliDropship is cost-effective with a one-time fee, but it's exclusively for WordPress and WooCommerce, requiring some technical knowledge. AliDropship is an excellent tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs wanting an affordable, customizable WordPress solution. Its automation, product customization, and custom store option make it ideal for beginners and experienced sellers. Check the links below to explore AliDropship and see if it's the right platform for your dropshipping business.